Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here. I just wanted to bring you a real quick video with a frugal tip. I have this electric tea kettle that I put on a little thing over there, heat up water in so I can make my instant coffee and my hot tea. And sometimes I use it to fill up my bathtub in the winter time when I have to turn off my hot water heater to take a bath. So anyway, we live in Missouri, which has really hard water, so this gets a lot of lime buildup in it, if you can see down there, and in the filter it will get all clogged up. So one way to clean your teapots, and this works for a teapot that goes on the stove, you know, anywhere, is to take cream of tartar, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and put it in there. This is the cream of tartar I have. Cream of tartar is a thickening agent that you use usually when you're making sometimes cakes or cookies. I know snickerdoodle cookies take it, and some icings take it. And then just fill your teapot all the way to the top line, that however much it holds. Mine holds 1.7 liters is the max. And go ahead and just fill that up. And that's to the line. Put the lid on it, of course. Excuse the messy kitchen. Walk over here with me. We'll put it on the little pad that it goes on. And let that come to a boil and set in there. Oh, I let it sit in about 5 minutes. Then give it a good scrub with your bottle brush. Take off the filter, of course, and to clean that, and you will have a shiny, very clean tea kettle. So just a little frugal tip.